Hi guys, welcome back to Shop Talk 1.5. This is the conclusion of that video. We did a discussion, a pretty thorough discussion on all four of these chainsaws on Shop Talk. If you haven't watched that episode, go back and find it. And now we're just going to do a couple quick cuts with the saws, just get a reference point for where they're at compared to each other on actual cutting speed and performance visually. So here we go. Not bad. That's the Chinese 372. The chain was a little bit. I might have taken the rakers down a little bit, so it might have was biting a little bit too much, but that's no big deal. Got the echo. My favorite saw, reliable, consistent, all you can ask for in a saw. The Husqvarna 572, my newest saw. And all of these have been pre-warmed up, so we're not just grabbing them and going crazy with them. We had them idling, they're all pretty warm. Husqvarna some credit. That saw cuts really nice. Very nice. At least but not last, we have the 500i. So this with the bark box. There you have it. It's all four of them. Just a couple quick cuts. If you'd like a more in-depth cutting videos, there's lots on the channel. Feel free to go back and look. Like I said, this is part 1.5 of Shop Talk. If you haven't seen the original discussion, take a look. It's called Stop, Drop, Shop Talk. Thank you for watching.